Ahoy there, trader, and welcome back. Let's talk about what style of trading is right for you. Now, one of the many hurdles that a new stock trader may have to overcome is choosing a style of trading. Now, for most new traders, this can be an abstract concept. What does it even mean? And surely making money in stocks is all the same, right? So let's explore how you can find the right trading strategy for you and your very unique situation. Hi, it's Phil. Welcome to the Anti-Investor Swing Trading Podcast, where we talk about swing trading stocks, stock options, and index futures. My goal is to help the next 1,000 traders become financially independent and retire early from the financial markets by providing the right tools to use, the rules to follow, and the software to assist you so that you don't make the same mistakes that I made. And from now on, I'll be your personal swing trading mentor to show you the way. So if you're ready, let's do this. So then, what is the right trading strategy for you? What are your trading objectives? Now, so let's get this out the way right now. Making money is not a trading objective. It is a byproduct of a proven process. And yet most traders see this as the primary goal. And then they get roped into the trap every single time that every single trade should make money. It's silly, but it's true. Now, if you said this in a bricks and mortar context, from a business point of view, you'd be laughed out the room. Wanting every customer to buy one of every colour and every size is a silly expectation that we all agree on. And yet, as soon as you move over to the business of trading, a novice trader will want exactly that, for every single trade idea to work and be profitable from the very moment that it goes live. And it boggles my mind, as I'm sure it now does for you. So how do you find the right trading style for you? And the solution is as simple as working backwards. And what most traders do after seeing a strategy to be shown to work, they then, bunny fingers time, try it for themselves without ever really committing to it or thinking that they have the ability to follow the strategy as it was intended. And this assumes that the strategy can be followed or replicated in the first place. And specifically is not discretionary trading because, well, it's open to interpretation. So a better way back into the strategy. Now, of course, I am presuming that the strategy in question is proven to be profitable and it can be replicated by anyone of any skill level. And that's what I want for my own trading. So as an example to illustrate, what I mean by backing into a strategy is going to be useful. So, for example, trying to day trade stocks when you don't have the time or the inclination to day trade is not going to make day trading work for you, even if that strategy is proven to be profitable. It may not be practical for you to day trade because you've got other life commitments, day job, work, family, other things going on, which prevents you from following that proven strategy and how it's supposed to be followed. Now, I spent the first 12 years of my trading career mostly day trading and short-term swing trading over 1 to 3 days, and I am quite good at it, even if I say so myself. However, these days, I don't want to day trade. It doesn't excite me the same way that it used to do. The idea of sitting at the computer doesn't excite me compared to other things that I could be doing with my time, at least not in the same way that it did when I started out. So in this case, day trading is out as a viable solution. So you see what I mean? We need to back into it. How do we find that? So you need to figure out what you want for trading. And again, remember, money is not the objective. It is the byproduct of a successful process, just the same as every other business. So what I want from my trading, I want to be able to check in, check for new trades, manage existing positions, and then check out and enjoy the rest of my day. Or in your case, you can go about whatever it is that you want to do for your day. Minimal time invested, maximum rewards. Now, in my case, there's also some additional long-standing health issues which influence the way I trade and design strategies, because I've got Crohn's disease. We don't need the sob-story version of that, but it does influence a lot of the way I live my life, in fairness. So these days, I want to be able to apply all my strategies in 30 to 60 minutes, any 30 to 60 minute window. I can swing trade stocks, stock options, with the intent of getting paid at the end of the month or the quarter. I can also short-term swing trade a small number of stocks that may last 10 to 12 days and benefit from the short-term fluctuations in price. I can also day trade S&P futures with the aim of capturing the main move of the day. I can check in at 10 AM Eastern and the trade is either there or it's not. And it's a great place to be when you're thinking about, okay, how can I systematize a strategy so that in this case the setup's there or it's not, and it takes 5 to 10 minutes. As an optional extra, I can day trade the opening bell on a small number of stocks. I can know today which stocks have the potential to move tomorrow. And that, again, it means that it's efficient. I'm not jumping around from opportunity to opportunity, strategy. The setup's there or it's not. I like that style of trading. Definitive, if this then that style of trading, or an algorithm for want of a better description. Now, in fairness, the last one, I don't do that much just for the reasons that I mentioned earlier. I consider it an optional extra, mainly because the trade is, well, the trade-off is time. I need to commit at least 30 and up to 90 minutes at the opening bell. Despite that, it's still not a lot of time. So my point with all these strategies is time. I want minimal time commitments and without any degradation in the potential rewards for what I'm doing. I want to know exactly, well, myself and all my students know what to trade and when to trade it. And this is because there are very specific and simple rules to follow. Just as a pilot would apply pre-flight checklists, I'm going to apply a pre-trade checklist, and a consistently profitable trader will do this. They apply a checklist for any of the methodologies that they follow. So do you have a proven strategy with a defined list of rules to follow? And if you don't, shoot me a message. We can talk. Keep in mind that futures, options on futures, stocks and stock option trading involves a degree of risk that may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is no guarantee of future performance. Anti-Investor provides educational information and does not provide financial advice.